This is week 4, day 7. And gotta remember, we had a Monday, Martin Luther King Day, which means we're a day short. Plus we had some snow days too. This is routing and switching. Working on dynamic routing. We have a class lab that we're going to do. Routing table, Cisco Express forwarding. And we talked about the work for Monday. First of all, we looked at an example here of addressing and how we use this address to go between our firewall and a multi-layered switch which connects into the internet. And the concept here was nobody ever goes to that address. We have addressing here for PCs, printers, and so forth. And here, PCs, printers, well, no printers on that one, and so forth. But nobody goes, but you can use that address to connect your two devices, your intermediate devices. We reviewed how to do a static route. Point at an interface. This is the next hop. So that's the interface address of the next device. And you're saying this network, right? This network here, if you need to go there, you go out this interface and or this next hop. And then this was the lab we worked on. We had a little more detail before, but I repeated some of the addressing up here. 220, 210, 200. And then we could see how router RIP was working between the addresses. And we then finished router RIP version 2, and then we practiced. We used one of these in which, I believe here, in which we did a static route pointing in and didn't use router RIP there, just as an example. And we did that work and they turned it in on Wednesday. And that's it.